So long silent movies, to quiet dances on the screen. So long to burning slowly. So long silent movies, to quiet dances on the screen. So long to burning slowly, smelling sweat and kerosene. And all the actors on the stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low. Call my parents up, tell them I'm not.
Good morning, everyone. So today it is currently June 16th and we are going to be going to my lash appointment right now. I just dropped Christian off at work. Well, I just rode in the car, he drove. But anyways, I'm leaving now from Christian's work and I'm headed to my lash appointment, which because of traffic right now, y'all, it is literally going to be an hour drive for me, which is like, just so much fun. I really wish this camera looked like my Canon G7X because I don't know, like I just love the way that camera looks. Like if that camera could have the features of this camera but be the way that camera looks, like I don't know, it'd just be so amazing. But anyways, I'm going to my lash appointment right now. I'm getting a wispy hybrid set today, which is the same set that I got last time, which everybody kept asking me about, like what set I got and stuff, and at the time I didn't know, but I went back and like looked and I got a wispy hybrid. So that's what I'm getting again today, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue to drive and I will see you guys whenever I get there. I forgot to film, so I just texted her that I'm here, so I'm trying to film this real quick before she comes out. But this is my before, I'm about to do my after, so here's my after. So yeah, I just got out of my lash appointment. I did a little bit lighter than last time, but I actually think I liked last time a little bit better. Like, I'm not saying I don't like these ones. I love them still, but I feel like I loved how like wispy the other ones were. They were just super wispy and like looked almost kind of like strip lash extensions. I don't know how to explain it, but they were just super fluffy and that type of style. But I still love these lashes. They're a lot more subtle, which I think will be better for like a family beach vacay. So, but anyways, I'll pop up Mariah's page right here just in case anybody's in this area and would like to go get your lashes done by her. She's amazing. I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is go ahead and call Christian. I'm gonna see what he's doing, and then I think I might either go to Dollar Tree or I might go pick him up. I'm not really sure. Just made it to Dollar Tree. I'm about to go in. It is literally hot as balls out here. I'm in Rockwall because that's where Mariah is located. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna come out here and go to Dollar Tree instead of like driving all the way back to Dallas then getting it. I'm just gonna get it, then go get some food, and then go home. Oh, look how cute they are, guys. Hi, can I get one double with no mustard, the meal?
A double with the meal with no mustard?
Yes, no mustard. And then on the fries, can I do animal style? On that drink, can I make it a extra large, and can I do a lemonade with no ice? And then can I do a cheeseburger meal with a large drink and lemonade? And then can I do animal style fries as well, but with no onions? And then that'll be all.
That'll be $22.35 per slice.
Thank you. Sorry, y'all. I did not mean for this to fall like this, but okay, we're at In-N-Out now. Just thought I would, oh my gosh. I just thought I would stop and get some food because I had to make Christian Uber home from work today, so I kind of feel bad. So I got him some food, but I'm gonna show you guys real quickly what I got from the Dollar Tree. I literally did not even get what I went in there to get because they didn't have it. Anyways, I got some other stuff. So I saw these. They're like 2 flavors in 1 Sour Patch Kids, and I love Sour Patch Kids, so I want to try that. They also had like a grape flavor, which I've never seen before. Anyways, and then I got some paintbrushes because I'm going to be putting together a little something that I need paintbrushes for. So I went ahead and picked that up, and then I got this little air freshener for my car. And then literally the other day when we were at Dollar Tree, I told Christian, I was like, we need like rubbing alcohol, like we just are gonna need it at some point for something. And literally there's been like 2 instances since then that we've needed rubbing alcohol and we haven't had it. So I went ahead and just picked some up there. And then the last thing that I got were just these little multi-purpose clips because we always are needing chip clips for like freezer stuff or stuff in the pantry, just like literally anything. Anyways, now I'm waiting for my food and then I'm gonna go home. It's been a very productive day. Well, honestly, no, it has. I woke up so early and I actually woke up. What the fuck am I saying? And I actually woke up. Bro, oh my god, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Oh! Hold on, y'all, we've got to pay. Thank you. You too. You should have got the freaking pink lemonade. I did not know that the lemonade was no sugar. Well, I did know that because I saw it, but anyways. Thank you. Thank you. This shit got cheese all over it. I just freaking got home, y'all, and never again will I be the nice person. This, I got no ice, right? Because I was like, it's gonna take me forever to get home. It literally took me an hour, so I was like, I'm not gonna get ice so that way it's not watery. Duh. And anyways, this shit literally spilled everywhere. It wouldn't even fit in my cup holder. Literally wouldn't even fit in my cup holder. And so now I have lemonade all in my cup holder. Like, there's seriously a puddle of lemonade. Can y'all see that? Like, when I drive, it just sloshes. It just sloshes. But I told Christian to come out here because I need his help getting all my stuff out. Also, I want to open this real quick because I think I'm going to leave it in my car. Well, I am going to leave it in my car. Duh. But I'm going to open it real quick. Just leave it kind of open so that way it don't, I don't know, like go so fast. Hey! I told you to bring me a paper towel. Be careful, it's just lemonade, no ice. And it's busting out the thing because it's a paper cup. What'd you put in it? Did you not just listen to what I just said? I said it's lemonade. Oh my god, I'm just ready to get out the car. I'm just so, it's so hot. Who? Gives a fuck. Not me. But I'm eating my meal. I got a cheeseburger with some animal style fries. Oh, I don't know why it looks so pink. But anyways, I'm gonna take a few bites for y'all. Little miniature mukbang. I'm surprised they're still good, honestly, because it took me an hour to get home. Oh! It is now 10:51 at night. Christian is at Yellow Belly, and I am sitting here at this house by myself. So we're gonna pack. I know I said I wanted to do this today. Or honestly, I don't know if I did, but we're gonna pack for this family vacation from hell. I'm just kidding. We are going on this family vacation. We leave Sunday. It's Thursday. I figured I would go ahead and pack. I just got a new suitcase. I honestly didn't have suitcases. I've been using Christian's on all the trips we've been going on, or actually no, the cruise. I used my grandparents. Now I finally have my own. I got them at Ross for a pretty good deal. I got this one for $50 and the big one for $65, I think. And these were originally, this small one was originally $240, and then this big one was originally $280, which is so crazy because this one's like way bigger. This is what we're gonna be using to take with us to the beach. So we're gonna start packing and figuring out our outfits. So here we go. The vibe I'm trying to go for is like cute, but like family friendly at the same time, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to pop off and just be like Instagram bag. I'm just trying to do like casual cutie, you know what I mean? We need to style this stuff, so I bought some stuff from the thrift store. Also, I don't have my tripod, so you're gonna have to just work with me on these angles, okay? I'm definitely gonna be bringing this dress, and y'all, oh my god, I'm like, I don't know, should I wash this shit or no? Like, I got it at the thrift store, and I'm like, I'm honestly like, I don't really care. Is that bad? These are the shorts that I got. They're from Nature. They're so cute. Like I said, I got them from the thrift store. So I'm gonna put these on. But I literally been putting this off all day. Like I did not want to do this. But I'm like pushing myself to stay productive because literally y'all, it's like once I just smoke, I'm done for. Like I can't do anything else. Anyways, I don't even have my contacts in, so I can't even tell if this is gonna be cute. I'm gonna hate editing this. Like I'm really gonna regret this later. I'm not gonna want to edit this. Anyways, I need to find a top and I'm gonna be back. You guys, I really don't want to overpack. Like, I want to pack what I'm gonna need, but honestly, y'all, I don't have clothes. I don't have cute tops. Like, literally, I'm trying to pull out tops right now, and these are the 3 tops that I have that I could pull out. Honestly, should I just do a speed through of this? Like, I don't know. I feel like it's more interesting for me to talk through it, but also at the same time, like, I just, like, don't know. I'm just gonna have to start putting shit in here. Okay, so I think I finally narrowed it down. So I have a few bikinis right here. Honestly, just because I don't know what I'm gonna feel comfortable wearing that day, so I did bring a few options of these. Then over here, I have just, like, an extra little workout top. This is kind of, like, all workout-ish stuff because my sister thinks that we're gonna be going on, like, hot mom walks, she called it. But I just, like, brought some, like, extra stuff that I could, like, really honestly, this is just like extra tops, some Spanx, and then this is like a workout set. So that's just what we have to work with for our morning walks. Here's my shorts. So I have this pair of Adidas ones, these cream H&M ones. These ones I got from Forever 21, some Nikes, and then another pair of Nikes. And then I have a few shirts right here. So I have this green one from PacSun, this one from Five Below, my Posty Fest shirt, and then this one from Boohoo. And then I'm bringing 2 dresses. So I have this one that I thrifted, and then this other one from Lovely and Blush, which is like a longer like maxi dress. Then I have like all my like extra bras and then my like actual bra. And then over here I have those 3 tops that I brought out. So the black one, the green one, and the other green one. Then I have my jean shorts and 2 jean skirts. I have 2 pairs of sweatpants just in case it gets cold. And then I'm bringing these little flip-flops, my Tevas. I'm also bringing a pair of Adidas to work out. And then I'm bringing these 2 hats. So this one that I got actually in Galveston, and then this one that I got from Paula's Choice. Oh, and then I'm also going to be bringing these 2 bucket hats, and then I'm also going to be bringing these, but I think I'm going to wear those down there. So now I'm going to try to fit all of that into here. Too much effort and too much work. Can y'all believe that I did not pack a pair of Crocs? Okay, but the thing is, I got all my like stuff that I could pack right now in here, but I'm definitely gonna have to take a like carry-on bag of some sort, and I'm gonna have to put like my makeup and skincare and like my camera equipment and all that stuff. But other than that, like I have all of my clothes and everything in here. Honestly, what else did I have? Oh, I still have to edit, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't even feel like filming anymore at this point. But oh my god, I forgot my bikinis. Oh my god, now I have to struggle to put that in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn your post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next one. All of my social medias and anything like that, if you guys want to check out my Amazon storefront, my Patreon, literally all of the links to anything about me are in my link tree, which is linked in the description box. So definitely check it out. I worked really hard on like putting everything in there and all that information on, so definitely check it out. But with all that being said, I will see you guys. Bye y'all.